So yeah, we're walking to Hayes Hori coffee shop in Osaka, and as you can see, it's a pretty hot day here. It's like 30, feels like 35. Beautiful weather. You can sort of feel, you can sort of feel the heat for sure. So I'm just going to walk towards the coffee shop, and yeah, it's beautiful. Hardly anyone on the road at the moment because it is really hot, extremely hot. And I think I was here the other day around this area, so very cool. As you can see, like it's pretty clean. Like everything just neat and tidy in Osaka, and it's just like beautiful day, blue sky. But yeah, it is literally scorching hot. I hope I put on sunscreen. I could definitely feel the heat. I think I'm meant to cross here. So wow, it's a red light, but fuck. It's fine. It's really hot. It's like it's super dry and it's hot. Yeah, it's about 2 minutes from here. It's not too far. Oh, Porsche. Very cool. Yeah, probably better to walk in the shade actually. It's probably not a bad one. Yeah, cool. So it's not this left, not this right, the next right. Wow. This place makes great. I think people start to come out at around probably 4 or 5 p.m. when the sun sort of drops and the temperature drops a little bit. It's also a Monday, so okay, the coffee shop is somewhere around here. Okay, it's around here. Gotta find out what it is. Okay, so this is Osaka coffee.